48 past 2. Yesterday you would have seen on the daily vlog when I was taking my mother in to have her cataract removed. She's already had one eye done years ago, and then yesterday was the other eye. Everything went fine. We went back in this morning, check up with the doctor, and all looks great. Then we went into Aldi to do some shopping, and I stumbled upon these guys. AC/DC beer. And for anyone playing in Europe, you'll recognize this, or you'll recognize that as, well, if you're in Germany, you'll recognize that as a German beer. Now this is, well, it's an AC/DC branded beer. You know what though, I'm not going to talk too much about this because I am going to do a full vlog where I taste it and talk about it. But I wanted to point out that in Aldi, this is just sitting on the shelf. Now, I understand it came out in 2015 as a limited edition. So either they didn't sell at all or it's a rerun. I don't know. But they must still be making them in Germany. Anyway, it's a German beer, so it's probably going to be pretty lousy. And I'll explain why on the full vlog. But German beer isn't the greatest just because it's all kind of the same because of their purity law. It has to have the same 4 ingredients. Some of their other, like Pilsners, are absolutely mind-blowingly good, but the beer with the 4 ingredients is kind of boring. Speaking of beer, ye old homebrew, still cranking here. There you go. That's still going strong, isn't it? That's been bubbling now. When did I put that down? The day after Danny Black left. So that's at least a week and a half, almost 2 weeks back now. Now, another thing that's happened that I just wanted to highlight, see if someone else out there is in the same situation I am. I received this message on my YouTube channel. I got a screenshot of the sucker right here. And the message says, your MCM no longer has access to your account. To run ads and earn money, you'll need to set up an AdSense. Get started. Now, that is a particularly concerning message to receive because my MCN hasn't had access to my account for, man, it's got to be 8 months or 9 months now, probably maybe even 10 months. And I have had, obviously, I've had AdSense account before my MCN took possession of my account, and I've still got an AdSense account after the MCN no longer have possession of my account. So the question I have to YouTube is this message wrong? And I don't need to take any action here, do I? I mean, I know I don't because I can log in and see my AdSense. I know, I guess it's just one of those flaws. And I said I would call out YouTube when things go wrong. What went wrong then was half of my toast that I had for lunch came back up. I said I'd call out YouTube if they did things wrong, like I would praise them if they did things right, and I praised them once before. I'm going to call them out here. Why are we getting these notifications? Like, maybe for a smaller channel, someone that's new to YouTube might see that and maybe might take action on it, but I know just to ignore it because, like I